So this past weekend we had just a little bit of a scare. Luna was choking. Don't worry, she is perfectly fine, everything is good, and I figured why not just give a couple tips on how to properly perform the Heimlich maneuver on your dog. The first thing you can do is the wheelbarrow. Bring your dog's back legs up into the air, trying to dislodge whatever is stuck. The second thing you can try is opening up your dog's mouth and trying to dislodge the object by sticking your finger in the back and moving from side to side, almost like a hook. The third thing you can try is compressing the abdomen. You want to take your fist, bring it up. The fourth thing you can try is a sharp blow in between the shoulder blades. Hopefully these refreshers come in handy one day should you need it.